I also wish to thank our corporate sponsors for their invaluable contribution and encourage the private sector to continue partnering with the government to host world-class events like this. The future of Safari Rally depends on increased private sector involvement. Let me repeat that again. The future is predicated on increased private sector participation. I remember that this rally cost the government of Kenya 2.1 billion in 2023. I did give very firm instructions to the ministry that that figure should come down. I'm happy that in 2024, it came down by 800 million to 1.3 billion. And I insisted that this year, it must cost less for the government of Kenya. I'm happy again that it came down by another 320 million. This year, it's going to cost 980 million. I want to encourage the private sector. I am looking forward to the day when this will cost zero for the government of Kenya and the private sector will take it up because they need the advertising, they need the profiling. I think the government of Kenya is very willing to cede ground and to allow our private sector companies to shine in the glory of this great event.